Long ago, in a southern city called Montgomery, life wasn't fair for everyone. Every day, black families rode city buses under rules that treated them differently. They worked hard, they were tired, and yet, they were told where they could sit and when they had to move. People felt hurt, they felt embarrassed, but deep in their hearts, they also felt something else. They felt that this wasn't right. One evening, a quiet but courageous woman made a choice that changed history. She decided she would not move. Not because she wanted attention, but because she believed fairness mattered. Word spread fast. People talked in homes, churches, barbershops, and on street corners. Some whispered in disbelief. Others spoke with confidence and hope. Soon, a young pastor stepped forward, a man who believed change didn't have to come from anger or fighting. He believed change could come from thinking smart and working together. He asked a simple but powerful question. What if we stop using the buses? If no one rode them, if no money came in, then the city would have to listen. It wasn't a loud plan. It wasn't a violent plan. It was a peaceful plan. And the people agreed. The next morning, buses rolled through the streets nearly empty. Instead, sidewalks filled with teachers, parents, nurses, cooks, and students. They walked to school. They walked to work. They walked together. Some people walked miles every day. Some struggled. Some were tired. But no one was alone. When walking became too hard, the community got creative. Churches shared cars. Neighbors became drivers. Doctors helped patients. Strangers helped strangers. A whole city worked as one team. Not everyone liked what was happening. Some leaders tried to stop the movement. Some people were threatened. Some helpers were arrested. But the people stayed peaceful. They stayed united. And they kept going. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. And finally, after more than a year of courage, the unfair rules were declared wrong. The buses changed. The city changed. And history changed. All because people chose peace, planning, and togetherness. That leader taught the world an important lesson. Big change doesn't always start with noise. Sometimes it starts with a smart idea and a caring community. And here's the best part. That same power lives in you. When you stand up for someone who's being treated unfairly, when you work with others instead of fighting, when you choose kindness at school, online, or at home, you are keeping that dream alive.